Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Testerup how to pay out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pay out a Testerup, what you need to do is meet the minimum balance requirement, which is $70 or equivalent in your region before you can request a payout. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is head over and open up your Testerup app and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, go to the payment or payout section in the Testerup or web dashboard. Then simply link your PayPal account for if you are a first-time user and only PayPal is supported. Apple Pay, Cash App, Venmo are not accepted. Then next is to complete the face verification. The app will prompt you to take a selfie for identity confirmation before proceeding. Then simply enter the payout amount, which is at least the minimum threshold and not exceeded the $250 USD or 250 pound per transaction maximum. Then lastly, submit your payout request when everything is confirmed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.